Dear students, I hope you are all well and studying in your home. Today, I'm going to discuss with you key points to remember of the process of transpiration. Loss of water in the form of vapors from the aerial parts of a plant is called transpiration. So, first of all, it is the definition of transpiration. Okay, in your chapter, you have to mainly learn about the various methods, and we already discussed about in last videos, okay, or last classes. So, now we today go to the main points. Depending upon the structure through which transpiration takes place, it is categorized into three types: stomatal, cuticular, and lenticular. Maximum transpiration takes place through the leaves. Transpiration is more from the lower surface of a dorsiventral leaf as compared to the upper surface. Okay, it means just beneath side of, suppose this is a leaf, its base side, because stomata are present in many quantities there. Rate of transpiration can be measured by weighing method or with the help of Kenong's photometer. About 90% of the total transpiration takes place through stomatal transpiration. Stomata are microscopic pores surrounded by two kidney-shaped cells called guard cells. Stomata are Turger operated values which open or close with changes in the Turger pressure of the guard cells. A large number of intercellular spaces, okay, intercellular spaces surrounded by mesophyll cells are present in the leaves. Water from the mesophyll cells keeps on evaporating through their cell walls, exposing to the intercellular spaces, making the internal air saturated. Okay, by these intracellular spaces, uh, internal air become saturated. Water vapors present in the saturated air from the intercellular species passes out of the pores of stomata outside the leaves due to the high water potential. Closing of stomata and shedding of leaves reducing the rate of transpiration. Okay, as we read already about this closing and opening of stomata in the other videos also. Several internal and external factors influence the rate of transpiration. Internal factor includes leaf area, leaf structure, succulence, and root-shoot ratio. External factors that influence the rate of transpiration are light, temperature, humidity, wind, atmospheric pressure, and soil water. Transpiration is faster in light, high temperature, humidity in the air, and more wind velocity. Okay, low humidity. When low humidity in the air and more velocity. Transpiration is necessary, I will. Okay, transpiration is useful in several ways and harmful in some respects. Loss of cell sap in the form of liquids as droplets along the margins of leaves through hydrothorts is called guttation. Okay, we already read in last chapter also. Now I am sharing with you some key terms of this chapter, transpiration. First is bleeding. Loss of cell sap or watery solution from the cut or injured part of a plant is called bleeding. Guard cells, two kidney-shaped cells bordering stomata in dicot plants. Cuttation, loss of cell sap or watery solution through the hydrothorts from the margins or tips of the leaves of certain plants without any injury. Lenticels, permanent open pores in the bark of old woody trees. Okay, it is found in old woody trees, permanent opening pores. Hydrothorts, water pores present on the margins and tips of leaves, consisting of loosely arranged colorless salts. Photometer, an apparatus used for measuring the rate of transpiration. Transpiration, already we know, loss of water in the form of vapors from the aerial parts of a plant. Wilting or drooping, Folding or rolling of leaves when the rate of transpiration through the leaves is more as compared to the absorption of water. Xerophytes, plants which grow in dry conditions where water is scanty. Isobilateral leaf, a leaf in which stomata are equally distributed on both of its surfaces, is called isobilateral leaves. Okay. Many times you will be hear this term isobilateral. It means same because iso means same, bi means both side. Okay, or two. So stomata are equally distributed in both of surfaces. That's why it's called isobilateral. So I hope you will be understand these terms and you already have understood this chapter, and if you have still any confusion at any point, you can tell me. Okay, so thank you for this watching this video.